Hello team! Today I am showing you the design principles I implemented into the infographic I created. So to start, the principle of proximity states that related elements are grouped together. I use proximity when creating my graphs and the labels and descriptions that correspond with them. The labels and descriptions are closest to the graphs they correspond with, showing the relationship between them. So here, this information corresponds with this graph, this text corresponds with this chart, and this title corresponds to this graph. The principle of visual hierarchy states that an arrangement of elements portrays importance. I put visual importance on the focal points of the title, right here, the visualized number here, and the graphs. So these are the largest elements in the chart because they are the most important, and I wanted the reader's eye to be attracted to them. The principle of alignment states that elements are formatted relative to a line or margin. I aligned my text vertical on the sides of the chart, so here this text is formatted to the side, same here, here, and as well as with the visualized number here. The title is, and as well as the ISO type, is aligned horizontally, and the center of the chart, the text in it, is aligned in the center because it is the focal point of the infographic. The principle of closure uses negative space to convey an entire object. I used this with the pie chart you see here. I portrayed the illusion of a pie slice by making this section the same color as the background. The principle of similarity and anomaly means that objects that look the same are in the same group, and altered objects are different. This is seen in the isotype because these frogs are all the same shape, so they are similar, but the 4 frogs here are a different shade, showing they're different than these frogs over here. The principle of color harmony is used when colors portray order and balance. I used a complementary color scheme where the yellow shade here, which is the background, represents about 60% of the chart. The green color here represents about 30%, and the brown color here, here, and here is about 10% of the chart. The principle of contrast means that objects and their backgrounds have different visual weight. I used dark text against a light background on the yellow portion of the infographic, and here on the green portion, which describes the sources, I made the text light because the background was darker. And I chose the light yellow color as the main color in this info chart because I wanted both the green, the black, and the brown to be able to contrast it. Let me know if you have any questions about the infographic. Thanks!